Hello everyone, Princess Anna here at Arendelle Dentistry. This is my sister Elsa's new dental practice, and today she's going to be giving her best friend, other than me of course, Olaf, some new teeth. Oh, it looks like Elsa's finishing up with her patient right now, so she'll be working on Olaf in just a minute.
Man, my teeth so clean and fresh. Look at these teeth, Anna. Look at them, man, they're great. And don't forget to call me tonight. You didn't call the other night. Man, gotta keep up with you all the time and stuff. Always working.
Oh, that truck thinks he's my boyfriend. He's kind of sweet. He's definitely persistent, but he's no Kristoff. Here comes my wonderful sister now. Olaf! Olaf! Come on, I think Elsa's ready for you. Hey Anna, how's it going out here? Oh, it's going great. I just saw that you were done with Mater and he left. Whew, yeah. He was a lot of work. I mean, he only has a couple of teeth, but they're huge. Well, I just called Olaf. Are you ready for him? I am. Let's go, Olaf. Okay, Olaf. Are you ready for your new teeth?
I'm ready, Elsa.
Okay, let's get started. Wow, I told Olaf to open wide and look what happened. He has a huge mouth. Okay, I'm ready to get started. Olaf, I have a couple of surprises for you. I thought I would make you a couple of teeth that were different colors. So I made one that was a block of ice, one that is Anna's favorite color, and one that will match your nose. Olaf, the colorful teeth look so cool that I might make a couple more for your top row. Almost done. Olaf, I wanted to check on you. Are you doing okay?
Yeah, I'm hanging in there.
Okay, it shouldn't be much longer. Just two more teeth, Olaf. I can't wait for you to see what you look like with all these teeth. Last one. Okay, are you guys ready to see how Olaf looks with teeth? Here we go! Ta-da! Olaf looks funny, doesn't he? Click the like button if you liked watching Elsa give Olaf teeth. Do you like Olaf better with or without teeth? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. This is Disney Cars Toy Club. Thanks for watching!